Very good morning to one and all. So in the previous class, so we have started with the I think merchant banking. Okay. The second unit we have started, that is merchant banking. What is merchant banking? We have seen and some examples we have seen. Okay, what is merchant banking? Okay, and once again I'll glance you what is merchant banking. Okay, see merchant banking, we can say it is a combination of banking services as well as consultancy services. Okay, we can say that it is one kind of financial. Okay, it means it acts as a financial engineer for the business, or we can say it is a combination of banking services. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತದ, ಅದರ ಜೊತೆ addition we can say it give consultancy services. See, banking services means it helps to the businessmen to start a business. Okay, and even matter finance raise ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ like in banking services. In consultancy services, what they will do, it give advisory. Okay, or in clients or advice ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ about marketing, about legal matters. For this, we can say as it is a merchant banking. Okay, in exam you can write a merchant banking. It is a combination of banking plus consultancy. Banking, what kind of they will help? They help the business people to raise the fund. In consultancy, what they will do? They will give advisory. Advisory, we can say, or we can say some suggestions, or in some legal matters. For that, it comes under consultancy services. This was the meaning of banking services. Okay, banking, merchant banking, it also works as an underwriter. Okay, it works as a underwriters. Okay, and it helps in financial matters as well as. Or again, we have seen the origin. Okay, when was this merchant banking was introduced? It was first introduced in Italy, next in France, next in England. In India, it came in the year 1967 and in 1970. After that, many banking have also started the merchant banking. Okay, like a public bank, that is SBI, State Bank of India. It has also started merchant banking in the year 1972. Okay, this we have seen. Okay. Next, we have seen the word merchant banking ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ originate ಬಂತು. Okay, then we have professional ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. This we have seen. Okay, and some examples we have seen in public sector, nothing private sector, nothing foreign players. Which merchant bank examples I have told. Okay, in public sector like we have SBI, Bank of Maharashtra, etc. We having in private like we having Axis Bank, Merchant Bank Limited, Bajaj, Reliance, etc. In foreign players like we have Bank of America, Goldman Smith, like a number of foreign merchant banks we are having. Okay. Next, some objectives we have seen. What is the main objective of the merchant banking? The main objective we can say to provide finance, to give advisory, to give counseling. Okay, but to provide capital. The main objective of merchant banking to act as a underwriter. Okay, to provide housing. Okay, these are the objectives. In today's class, we will be seeing some difference between commercial bank and merchant bank. Any difference? Difference between commercial bank and merchant bank. Other jyote we will see some functions of merchant banking. First, we'll see the difference between of commercial bank and merchant bank. Any difference? Okay, like commercial bank, we can say that it is a banking. Okay, it is a banking company. Like it performs a banking function. Commercial bank ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, accepting deposit ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, money lend ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ to the general public. That happens in commercial bank. Okay, commercial banks ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ, which is established by the number of people. Okay, number of people ಕೂಡ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, banks establish ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. The main motive of this commercial bank, main motive is to accept the deposit and to grant the loans. Commercial bank ಇದು work ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Next, when we come to the merchant banking, okay, merchant bank ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಂತ they refers to the financial institution. Okay, merchant bank, we can say they are the financial institution. Okay, they provide services to the clients. Okay, they provide services to the clients for them. For them we call as a merchant banking, like advisory ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, some suggestions ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, or we can say they are like a consultancy, or we can say they are like a advisor. So this is the first difference. I think everyone understood. Commercial bank ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, where we accept the deposit, where the bank will accept the deposit and lend the money to the general public. But merchant banking, it is one kind of financial institution which give banking plus consultancy services, which give loans to the raise the finance to the businessman, and they will do some advisory, or we can say suggestions. Next difference between an governing body. Okay, governing body, every body govern ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, means who will regulate it. Okay, it is regulated by. See, we were seeing the difference between commercial bank and the merchant bank. Okay, the first difference between we have seen. Second, we have commercial banking, yaar govern matter or who will be regulated. Okay, commercial banks are regulated by Banking Regulation Act 1949, and it is regulated by Reserve Bank of India. When you come to the merchant bank, it is the rules and regulations are designed by SEBI, that is Security Exchange Board of India. Merchant banking regulate ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. For commercial banks, it is regulated by Banking Regulations Act 1949. The first one was meaning. Commercial bank, what they will do, they will accept the deposit and lend the money in commercial banks. Second, merchant bank means it is one kind of financial institutions, like they provide services to their clients, they give advices, they give consultancy to their clients. Second one was commercial bank. It is regulated by Banking Regulation Act 1949, whereas merchant banking is regulated by SEBI. Okay. Next, engaged in commercial banks, in which they will be engaged, like they will be engaged in general banking business. Okay, they will engage in the general banking business, like accepting the deposits, lending the money. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಗಳು ಡೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. They deals in this general banking business. Whereas merchant banking, what merchant banking they will do? Merchant banking, they will deal with the consultancy type business. Basically, they do, means we can say in short, they give advisory to the business. So these are the three difference between. First one was meaning, second one was governing body, third was uh, in which they are engaged. Okay, next difference between we are having risks. Okay, in which there will be more risks. When we see in the commercial banks, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, some risks ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರ್ತವೆ. Okay, where there will be less risk in the banking commercial banks. When we go to the merchant banking, the risks will be comparative high. Okay, comparative will be, they will be more high. Okay, next difference between is role. What kind of role both the bank will do? Okay, see, first commercial bank, we can say commercial banks, they are like a financial. Okay, they are the financial, means they grant the loan. Okay, they will give loans to the peoples. Okay, when we go to the merchant bank, their role is, to the main role is to give advisors, financial advisor ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, in commercial bank, the main role is to give financial. Commercial banks ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, financial role play ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. When you go to the merchant bank, ಇವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ ಜೊತೆ ಅಡ್ವೈಸರಿನೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಅಡ್ವೈಸರ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Next, we have caters. Okay, wait a minute. Caters means we can say that means for whom they will help. Okay. Means the whom the needs they fulfill the needs of general public. Okay, basically commercial banks what they will do, they will fulfill the needs of the general public. Okay, they will fulfill the needs of general public. When you come to the merchant bank, they will fulfill the needs of corporate firms. Like we have businessmen, okay, companies, we have industries, we have our the needs in ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ fulfill ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, major services offered. Okay, what kind of offers they will give, what kind of offers they will provide. See, commercial banks basically they offers like banking services. Okay, banking services offer ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. When you come to the merchant banking, they raise the fund raise ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, merger options ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, acquisition services ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Means we can say like they offer the various services, all kind of services they will offer. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಲ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್. ವೆದರ್ ಇಫ್ ಅ ಕಂಪನಿ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಅ ಫಂಡ್, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಫ್ ಅ ಕಂಪನಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಮರ್ಜ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್, ದ ಕಂಪನಿ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮರ್ಜ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಕಂಪನಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಫ್ ಅ ಕಂಪನಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ವೈರ್, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಫ್ ಅ ಕಂಪನಿ ಇಸ್ ಫೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ಸ್, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ the main role, same I have explained. The commercial bank role is to provide financer, and merchant banking is a financial advisor. Okay. Next we have functions of management. Okay. I think everyone understood the difference between commercial bank and the merchant bank. Okay, commercial banks basically what they will do, they will accept the deposit and they will grant the loan. When we come to the merchant bank, they are like the financial institutions. Okay, they will give a consultancy plus banking services to their clients. Okay, commercial bank ಒಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯಾರು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾರು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗವರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಟು ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯಾರು ಗವರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೆಬಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, next in what kind of business they are, commercial banks they are in banking business ado. When you come to the merchant bank, they are in the consultancy business. ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ, ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಭಾಳ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ದ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸರ್, ಟು ಜನರಲ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಲೋನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಡ್ವೈಸರಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Commercial bank what they will do, they will fulfill the needs of the general public. Merchant bank corporate firms needs fulfill ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Commercial banks they are like normal banking services. When you come to the merchant bank, they are like they fund the raise and they give various options like merger and acquisition. Next we have functions of management. Okay, this is an important question. Exam ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. Like we have 14 points, like we have 14 functions of merchant banking. First function we have raising finance for the clients. Next, it is a broker in the stock exchange. Next, project management. Next function is advise on expansion and modernization. Next, managing public issue of companies. Next, handling government consent of industrial project. Next, special assistance to small companies. Next, service to public sector units. Next, revival for sick industrial units. Next, portfolio management, corporate restructuring, money market operation, leasing services, management of interest and dividend. So these are the functions of merchant banking. Okay, so today we'll see some 5 to 6 points. Okay, the remaining will explain you the next class. Today we'll study the 5 to 6 points. Like total we have 14. Okay, half of we will study. See, the first function of the merchant banking is to raise finance for the clients. Okay, ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಟು ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಎನಿ ಕಂಪನಿ ಸಪೋಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫಂಡ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಡ್, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಫಂಡ್ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಫಂಡ್ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಲೈಕ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕಡೆ ಲೋನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನ್ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಟು ದೇರ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ಸ್. ಅದು ಫಂಡ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್, ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಂಡ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಟು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ಸ್, ಆರ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್, ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಂಡ್ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆರ್ ಟು ದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಲೋನ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. As well as it helps in clients to raise finance from domestic and international market. ಅದು ಫಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಟು ಡೊಮೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಕಡೆನೂ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆರ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಕಡೆನೂ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು? ಥ್ರೂ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಕಡೆನೂ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆರ್ ಟು ದ ಡೊಮೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಕಡೆ ಫಂಡ್ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, this finance is used for starting a new business or project, or for modernization, or for expansion of the business. Means our clients edak fund raise ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? Like their clients wanted to start any new business, adak fund help ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ merchant bank ಕಡೆ. Or they want to start a project, they want to start a new project, allin for that purpose they need the fund, or for expansion for the business. So this was about the first function of raising for the finance for the clients. And the merchant banking help ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಟು ದೇರ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ಸ್. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ if their clients want fund, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಂಡ್ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಫಂಡ್ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ನು ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ನು ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಆರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಲೋನ್ ಕಡೆನೂ ಫಂಡ್ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಫಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? ಫ್ರಮ್ ಡೊಮೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಕಡೆನೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಆರ್ ಟು ದ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಕಡೆನೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇದು ಫಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎದಕ್ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ದ ಮೇನ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಎ ನ್ಯೂ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ಟು restructure, or we can say for modernizations, to restructure, or for new making new things we can say, or for the expansion of business. So this was the first function. Next we have the second function. Okay, second function ಏನೈತ್ರಿ? brokers in stock exchange. Okay, merchant banker, what they will do? They will act as a broker as well as. Okay, merchant banking, what they will do? They will act like a broker also in the stock exchange market. ಇವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? They buy and sell the shares on behalf of their clients. First of all, they are the broker in the stock exchange market, as well as on behalf of their clients. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ their clients busy ಅದ, behalf of their clients ಇವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಬೈನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ and sell the shares. Okay, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್, they conduct a research. Okay, research analysis ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. On which they will do research analysis? On the equity shares. equity shares ಹೆಂಗ ಅದ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ದೇ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಅಬೌಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ they to buy. Okay, when to buy, how much to buy, and when to sell. ಇದರೊಳಗೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಆನ್ ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್, ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಮತ್ತೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಟು ದೇರ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ಸ್. ಆನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್? ಅಬೌಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬೈ, when to buy, how much to buy, but when to sell. Okay, like one more we have, like large brokers we have, mutual funds we have, venture capital we have, companies. They also offer the merchant banking services. Okay, means like a large brokers we have, like mutual funds. Okay, they will also give some merchant banking services. Okay, I think everyone understanding. Okay, next we have project management. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಂಡ್ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಏಜೆಂಟ್, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೋಕರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್. Third one we have project management. Okay, see merchant bank ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, help their clients in many ways. Okay, merchant bank ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, they will help their clients in various ways. For example, okay, advising a location of a project. Okay, ಅವ್ರದೊಂದು clients ಅಂತ, they want to prepare a project. ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ ದೇ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದರೊಳಗೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಮ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಅದರೊಳಗೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ವೈಲ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಅದರೊಳಗೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಂಡ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನೇನ್ ಇನ್ಸೆಂಟಿವ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಾರ, ಏನೇನ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಾರ ಅದನ್ನು ತಂದು ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. That we call as a project management. Okay, I think everyone understanding project management ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, in many ways ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ, ಇಫ್ ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಓಪನ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ಅದು ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅದರೊಳಗೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸಿಗಬಹುದು ಅದನ್ನು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನೇನು ಇನ್ಸೆಂಟಿವ್ಸ್, ಏನೇನು ಕನ್ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅದರೊಳಗೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, I think everyone understood the difference between commercial banks and the merchant bank, what I have told. Next, the three functions, what I have told. The first function was raising the finance, and the merchant bank ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ how to raise the fund. ಅಂದ್ರೆ they can raise a fund through issue of shares, debentures, or bank ಕಡೆನೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. They can raise the fund from domestic as well as international market. Okay, next function was a broker in the stock market. Okay, merchant bank also plays a broker in the stock exchange, okay, market. Under the behalf of their clients, they buy and sell the shares. Matin ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, one research analysis ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ on equity shares. Okay, when to buy, how much to buy the shares, and when to sell the shares ಅದರೊಳಗೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ merchant bankers. Next one we have a project management. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಟು ದಿ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮೆನಿ ವೇಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ದೇರ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ಬಹುದು ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನೇನು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಾರ, ಇನ್ಸೆಂಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕಂಪನಿ ಆರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅದರೊಳಗೂ ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವರ್ ದ ತ್ರೀ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. You will you will see the next uh, functions. The next function is advice on expansion and modernizations. Okay, merchant bank ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, advice ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. If any their clients want to expand their business or they want to modernize their business ಅದರೊಳಗೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದರೊಳಗೂ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ they give expert advice. Okay, ಹಂಗೆ ಕಣ್ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಟು ದೇರ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ದ ಕಂಪನಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅದರ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಕಂಪನಿ ಮರ್ಜರ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ, ಅಮಾಲ್ಗಮೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಾವ, ಎಕ್ವಿಜಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಾವ, ಟೇಕ್ ಓವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಾವ, ಡೈವರ್ಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಾವ, ಫಾರಿನ್ ಕೊಲಾಬ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಾವ, ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಾವ, ಸಮ್ ಅಪ್ಗ್ರೇಡೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. If our clients are though, they want to expand their business in the other countries or we can say in the foreign countries, all in the options ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು foreign company ಐತಿ, they want to merge with you. If you are ready to merge, you can merge with them. ಹಂಗೆ options ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. If there is a company want to sell their company, if you are interested, you can acquire that or you can take over that. Okay, and you can do foreign collaborations. Okay, collaborations in the options portal to their clients. Okay, next we have managing public issues. Okay, Merchant bank ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, as well as they manage the public issue of the companies. On this, ಅದರೊಳಗು ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನೇನು ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ, ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್, ಅದನ್ನು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಇನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಬ್ರೋಕರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಶೇರ್ಸ್, ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. And this the remaining I will explain in the next class. Okay, quickly I will show what are the other points. Okay, handling government industrial project, ಅದರೊಳಗು merchant bank help ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. And special assistance ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ to the small companies and entrepreneurs. Other than that, service to the public sector units, ಅದರೊಳಗು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಿಕ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಏನೇನು ಅದಾವ ಅದರೊಳಗು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಫೋಲಿಯೋ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಅದರೊಳಗು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್, ಮನಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್. So this the remaining functions I will explain in the next class. I think hope everyone understood the today's class the difference between commercial bank and the merchant banking. For I think in syllabus is there commercial bank ಮತ್ತು merchant bank difference between ಏನೈತಿ for 5 marks ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. With your own words you can write it. Commercial banks ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, accept deposit ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, lending money ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Merchant banking they work as a banking plus consultancy. Merchant bank SEBI regulate ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, commercial bank banking regulation. Okay, merchant bank deals in the consultancy services, commercial bank in general. Okay, risk ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರ್ತದಿಲ್ಲ, risk high ಇರ್ತದೆ. Okay, this you can write with your own. Okay, next I think 4 or 5 functions we have seen. Okay, the remaining functions I will explain in the next class. Okay, raising finance we have completed, brokers in stock exchange, project management, advice on expansion and modernizations, and managing public issue of companies. So the remaining functions we will be studying in the next class. Okay.